The 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter is built for drivers who refuse to let rough terrain stand in the way of adventure. Combining Toyota's legendary reputation for durability with a purpose-built off-road design, the Trailhunter is engineered to deliver confidence, capability, and comfort wherever the road, or the lack of one, takes you. Whether you're crossing rocky mountain trails, navigating muddy forest roads, exploring remote deserts, or embarking on multi-day overlanding expeditions, this full-size pickup is designed to perform in the toughest environments while remaining practical enough for everyday use. One of the biggest highlights of the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter is its factory-developed off-road package. Unlike standard pickup trucks, the Trailhunter comes equipped with specialized components designed specifically for serious adventure travel. These include an upgraded suspension system for improved articulation and ride quality, aggressive all-terrain tires for enhanced traction, increased ground clearance to tackle larger obstacles, heavy-duty skid plates that protect vital components, reinforced underbody armor, and off-road tuned chassis enhancements. Together, these features allow the truck to confidently handle steep climbs, uneven terrain, water crossings, loose gravel, sand dunes, and rocky trails with ease. The exterior styling reflects its adventurous personality with a bold front grille, muscular body lines, rugged wheel designs, distinctive Trailhunter badging, durable body protection, integrated recovery points, and practical accessories that emphasize function as much as appearance. Every detail has been designed to support outdoor exploration while giving the truck a commanding presence both on and off the road. Performance is expected to be one of the Trailhunter's strongest qualities. Toyota is anticipated to continue offering a powerful and efficient powertrain capable of producing impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining excellent towing and payload capacities. Whether you're towing a camper, hauling motorcycles, transporting construction equipment, or carrying camping gear for a weekend getaway, the Trailhunter is engineered to provide dependable performance in demanding situations. Its advanced four-wheel drive system, multiple terrain management modes, electronic locking differential, crawl control, and hill descent assistance are expected to help drivers maintain maximum control across a wide variety of challenging surfaces. Durability has always been one of Toyota's greatest strengths, and the 2027 Tundra Trailhunter continues that tradition. Built with a strong frame and designed to withstand years of hard use, this truck is created for owners who expect reliability during long-distance adventures and demanding weather conditions alike. Whether used for recreation, commercial tasks, or family travel, the Trailhunter is designed to be a dependable companion for every journey. Inside the cabin, Toyota combines rugged capability with modern luxury. The spacious interior is expected to feature premium materials, supportive seating, generous passenger space, and a thoughtfully designed layout that keeps essential controls easily accessible. High-quality finishes, durable upholstery, and practical storage solutions make the cabin equally suitable for daily commuting and extended off-road expeditions. Technology also plays a major role in the Trailhunter experience. Drivers can expect a large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-connected navigation, voice recognition, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless smartphone charging, premium audio options, customizable digital instrument displays, and over-the-air software updates. These features help ensure that drivers remain connected, informed, and entertained regardless of where their adventures lead. Safety remains a top priority, and the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter is expected to include Toyota's latest driver assistance technologies. Advanced features may include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, road sign recognition, parking sensors, surround view cameras, trailer assist systems, and multiple airbags designed to protect both occupants and cargo during every trip. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Trailhunter is expected to offer a wide range of practical accessories and customization options. Buyers may be able to equip the truck with roof racks, rooftop tents, bed-mounted storage systems, recovery equipment, auxiliary lighting, portable refrigerators, air compressors, camping accessories, cargo management systems, and additional protective equipment. These options make the Trailhunter an ideal platform for overlanding, camping, fishing, hunting, mountain biking, and long-distance adventure travel. In this video, we provide a complete overview of everything the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter has to offer. We'll take an in-depth look at the exterior styling, interior design, performance specifications, off-road equipment, suspension upgrades, towing capability, cargo capacity, safety technologies, infotainment features, expected pricing, release timeline, and how this exciting pickup compares with competitors in the growing off-road truck segment. We'll also discuss the newest updates, rumored features, and why so many truck enthusiasts are eagerly waiting for Toyota's latest Trailhunter model. Whether you're considering purchasing your next adventure vehicle, researching upcoming Toyota trucks, or simply enjoy learning about the latest automotive innovations, this video has something for you. We aim to provide detailed, accurate, and easy-to-understand coverage that helps viewers stay informed about the newest cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, hybrid vehicles, and electric vehicles arriving from manufacturers around the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below telling us what you think about the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter, and let us know which feature excites you the most. We'd also love to hear which upcoming truck you'd like us to review next. Your feedback helps us create better content for the automotive community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you'll never miss our latest videos featuring upcoming vehicle launches, concept cars, first looks, detailed reviews, automotive technology, industry news, comparison videos, and future transportation trends. We regularly bring you the latest updates on Toyota, Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, Ram, Nissan, Jeep, Lexus, Honda, Tesla, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and many other leading automotive brands. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Stay with us for more exclusive coverage of the newest vehicles, exciting concept cars, future truck developments, electric vehicle technology, and everything happening in the ever-evolving world of automobiles.